All right, this is section 6, parallel and perpendicular lines. You can determine the relationship between two lines by comparing their slopes and y-intercepts. The first important concept is the slope of parallel lines. They have the same slope and different y-intercepts. So if two lines have the same slope but a different y-intercept, then they are parallel. Okay? Let's look at this. Here's the graph of y is equal to 1/2 x plus 1. The blue one is the graph of y equals 1/2 x minus 2. The slopes are both 1/2, and the y-intercepts are different. They are parallel. Okay? All right. So look what we know. We have a line, y is equal to 2/3 x minus 1, and the line that is parallel to that passes through 12,5. What is the equation that represents that line in slope-intercept form? Okay. So we need to know the slope. So the slope of this line that's been given is 2/3. And then we know a point, 12,5. So that sounds a lot like, if I have the slope and a point, I can use point-slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Remember section 4. Okay, so I'm going to plug it in. Y minus 5 equals 2/3 times x minus 12. Okay, now look what form it wants it in, slope-intercept. So I have to work through this. Y minus 5 is equal to 2/3 x, and then 2/3 times 12. So that's 12 divided by 3 is 4, 4 times 2, so minus 8. And then I add 5 to the other side, and that gives me the equation of the line that is parallel to the one that's underlined. Okay? So using the slope from the line that they tell us, and using the ordered pair from the new line, we then use point-slope form to plug it in. Okay, perpendicular. Remember, perpendicular are two lines that form right angles. These have to be 90 degrees. Okay? All right, so here's the definition, or what it means. Two non-vertical lines are perpendicular if the product of their slopes is -1. A vertical line and a horizontal line are also perpendicular. Okay? So if their slopes, the product of their slopes is -1. Here's what you want to remember. The slopes are going to be negative reciprocals. Okay, negative reciprocals. That means we're going to take one slope, flip it upside down, and then change its sign. So this graph, the red line, is y equals 1/2 x minus 1. Its slope is 1/2. The graph of the blue line is y is equal to -2x plus 1. Notice we take 1/2, we flip it upside down, and then we change its sign. Okay? The lines are perpendicular. All right? Let's look at one. Are the graphs of 4y equals -5x plus 12 and y equals 4/5 x minus 8 parallel, perpendicular, or neither? Explain. Okay, so this one's already in slope-intercept form. So we want to change this one into slope-intercept form. So we're going to divide everything by 4. So y is equal to -5/4 x plus 3. And we're comparing it with y is equal to 4/5 x minus 8. Okay, so now, parallel would mean the slopes are the same. -5/4, not the same. So it's not parallel. Perpendicular would mean that the slopes are the flip of each other, and opposite. So this one is -5/4, and we're comparing it with 4/5. So if I take 5/4, -5/4, and I flip it upside down and I change its sign, do I get the same thing? Yes. So these two are perpendicular. Okay. So we do that by finding the slopes, and we have to put them in the same form. Remember, whatever form this is, it's really nothing. We don't know the slope. We have to get y by itself. Okay, now this is similar to the first problem, problem number 1. Which equation represents the line that passes through 2, 4 and is perpendicular to the graph of y equals 1/3 x minus 1? Okay, so we're looking for a perpendicular line. So we're going to take the slope of 1/3, we're going to flip it upside down, and we're going to change its sign. So that's the new slope, -3. Okay, so take the slope, 1/3, flip it upside down, 3/1, change its sign. Okay, and we know a point, 2, 4. So once again, it sounds like point slope form. Y minus 4 is equal to -3 times x minus 2. Okay. Now, in general, you'll want to write your answer in slope-intercept form. Technically, the directions don't say that because it's a multiple choice question, but I took out the answers, so we're going to solve it. Okay, so y minus 4 is equal to -3x plus 6. -3 times -2 plus 6. And then I add 4 to both sides, so I get y is equal to -3x plus 10. That is the equation of the line that is perpendicular to that one right there. Okay? If you don't believe me, graph it, huh? Okay, lesson check. And another one under 7:30. Nice. See you.